Gentlemen, 99% of all women are attracted to men who do the 10 things we're going to talk about today. The 1% of women who aren't attracted to these things? Savages. First thing 99% of all women are attracted to is a sense of humor. But you knew that. This isn't your first rodeo, but I'm bringing something a little bit stronger to the table today. I'm going to give you a quick, easy way to make a woman laugh. Memes. Let other people be funny and you just show her the meme. This hit me the other day when I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw these memes. I'm like, oh, that's really funny. I sent it to my wife and she responds, oh my gosh, that's so funny, crying, laughing out loud and all that stuff. And then it hit me. I'm like, yo, we can use this. As modern men, we can use memes in order to make other people think we are funny, which is awesome. The second thing, 99% of all women are attracted to men who do not snoop through their phone. Sorry. Gentlemen, here's the thing. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult. You want to look, right? Her phone is there. It's so tempting. But if you start looking, if you start snooping, this is one of the surefire ways to know that your relationship is about to end, because there is nothing that kills a relationship like insecurity. If you don't trust her ass, then you shouldn't be with her, and vice versa. She shouldn't be looking through your phone either. I'm looking at you, Brenda. The third thing, 99% of all women are attracted to men who make them feel important. You gotta make her feel like she is a priority in your life, because if she feels like everything else that you're doing is more important than her, she's gonna be like, oh, that sucks. I feel like I'm not that important to him. And guess what? Some other dude's gonna come start sniffing around your action, right? And what happens? You know the story. He's gonna start giving her all sorts of attention. She feels important, she feels pretty, and she leaves your ass. The fourth thing that 99%, I'm actually gonna stop saying that 99 thing. Excitement. They want a man that is exciting. If you are viewed as exciting or do different things, she is gonna be so much more attracted to you than a dude that is super freaking boring. Excitement is sexy. Boring is basic. Be excited. The fifth thing all women are attracted to, except BuzzFeed viewers, is a man who dresses like a man. Did I say? Gentlemen, here's the thing. Would a man wear offensive graphic t-shirts? Nope. Does a man wear big, baggy, sloppy cargo pants? No. Does a man walk around with his underwear hanging out and then walk around like a little waddling duck because his pants are about to fall down? Hell no! A man wears a belt, keeps his pants up, and a stylish man wears an Anson. This belt looks like crap. It's been through a war, and that is exactly what your belt looks like. But an Anson belt? Where are the holes? Actually, there aren't any holes, which is the reason why they always look smooth, they look clean, and they look more stylish than any belt out there on the market, period. The reason is because of this, that track system. That track system is where all the Anson magic happens. Listen. Hear that? Yeah. And it locks it into place. And then when you want to release it, there's a little trigger underneath. You apply a little tension and boom. The fabric Anson belts are, in my opinion, a summer must-have for any stylish man. They're a lot of fun to play around with. The blue and white stripe is one of my all-time favorites and go-tos. When I'm wearing a pair of blue jeans, a white t-shirt, or a white polo shirt, I can wear any color shoe with that. I can wear brown, I can wear black, I can wear canvas. But Anson also has leather belts, of course, in every color. From tan to burgundy to black. They've got casual black, they've got dress black. Phenomenal, right? That's just a sexy ass belt. Their buckles are sick. This is one of my favorites. It's a matte black, right? They also come in gold, they come in a gunmetal. They're all interchangeable. All you gotta do, right? Pop it there, put on a different buckle, boom, you're in business. You order an Anson belt, you're gonna get it, it's gonna be super long, and then all you do is thread it through your belt loops, measure it, and cut it, and then attach whichever buckle you like. If you haven't checked out Anson belt or gotten one for yourself, you need to treat yourself. They are amazing. The best deal they have is a box set where you get to pick 3 straps, 2 buckles, or 2 straps, 3 buckles for under $100. Mix and match. Maybe you go a stripe and a solid canvas, then a leather. Like, gentlemen, sky's the limit. It's up to you. But the fact is, Anson belts are absolutely killing it. Every single person that I meet that has bought an Anson belt comes up and thanks me because they are the greatest belt out there in the market, period. The sixth thing that all women are attracted to is if you compliment her hair. Gentlemen, a woman's hair is like her mane, right? She loves it. She puts time, she puts energy. Women spend an insane amount of time, money, energy in pursuit of flowing locks of luscious amazingness. And if you actually compliment her hair saying, yo, mama, your hair looks amazing today. Really? You know it? Oh my God, you're so sweet. I want to have sex with you. This also brings us to number 7, which is make her feel sexy. So when you first get into a relationship, right, you are so like, oh my God, you're beautiful, you're amazing, you're like a spicy meatball, right? But then you start dating a while, then you get married. You've been in a relationship a while and things get to be a little stale, a little stagnant. What you cannot do is stop making your woman or guy, whatever you're into, feel sexy. He deserves it. Plus, if you don't, remember that dude all sniffing around? Yeah, exactly. He's gonna be like, mama, you are a fine piece of filet mignon. And I'm hungry. The 8th thing all women are attracted to is a guy who doesn't look needy and desperate and always asking and constantly needing reassurance. Gentlemen, here's the thing. She's with you. You are amazing. There's no reason to second guess it. There's no reason to question her. If she didn't want to be with you, she wouldn't. 9 is having a dog. Like just having a dog and walking in, throwing a frisbee and being like, oh, come here, Sparky. You're so amazing. Oh, you're so cute. Game over. You win. She is putty in your proverbial paws. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th thing that 99% of all women are attracted to is you being yourself. You're a fine piece of man meat, gentlemen, but you gotta embrace it. You gotta lean into it. Don't try and change yourself for somebody else. She is the lucky one because you are amazing, you're beautiful, and I think you are super spectacular.